if you want to improve your credit score, what are some things that we should be focusing on?
I'd say the number one thing is make your payments on time. You know, even if it's just a credit card and you're like, I can only afford the minimum payment this month, you make sure you're making it, right? Making those payments on time. I would even say if you financially are able to set up auto draft, I'm a big advocate for that. Even if you have the money, sometimes life is just really hectic, right? You're running around. August is back to school, starting sports and everything's going on. You might just forget. And you're like, oh, no big deal. I forget. It's huge, it could really hurt. So big, encourager of auto draft. Again, making sure you're paying it on time. Keep your utilization low on your revolving accounts. I think a big one is maybe assuming, hey, I have a $500 credit card. It's okay to have it maxed out as long as I'm making my minimum payment of $30 every month. Well, actually, overall, like I said, there's those scoring models. They're built to say, hey, something's maxed out. This person may be struggling. So let's lower the score to show the sign that, to show that. So lower utilization, I think a big rule of thumb that's kind of always been out there is 30%. I say if you can do better, 10%, try to keep them around 10% because you're potentially, think of your utilization, every point you're utilized is kind of losing a point on your score. So if you're 100% utilized, you could potentially, again, depending on the score model and the version they're using, be losing 100 points on your credit, right? That's huge, especially if it's on a $300 Capital One credit card you opened when you were 18 and you don't even realize, right? So again, utilization's a very big one. That's number 2 would be the biggest, takeaway I hope from, of course, paying on time.